making sure everything's nice and clean. Last time before we get this going. Cleanliness is next to managerialness. Well, you know. I got everything prepped, cleaned, a little bit of lube on these things. To use this band ring, clamp thing, pointing toward the front. Using one of these bands, power built 648433. Get it in, open it up so it fits over everything nicely, and it does have a direction. See those little crimps? Yeah, those go down. Just keep it from falling in. Push that sucker on. Make sure you're pushing the top ends down nice and flat. I'm just going to crank this down tight, not too tight, just tight enough. Once you can move the piston itself, so you're going to want to tension this up enough until you can actually move the piston with it. Boom. Then you know you got it good. You can label it toward the front. See that I'm moving it with the ring. Boom. Take this mallet. It actually moved a little bit on me. That's it. Pops right in. Move that off to the side. And then gently, there shouldn't be much resistance, but if all of everything is sized up properly, it should go in nicely. I also have the crankshaft at bottom dead center. And this is going to keep going in until right there. That's on the crank. So we have him all the way in. There it is. Protective sleeves on it. And it's in, ready to get plastigaged. Confirm the bearing clearance.